Zach, who's one of the homeowners, his electric bill is zero, and in fact, he has earned a $260 credit on his electric bill from the electric company this year. If we can do that times 10,000 across the country, that has significant impact for local communities and people that are in need. So today we're in Harrisonburg, Virginia, and we're finishing up installing solar panels on 2 Habitat for Humanity homes.
I've been partnering with Habitat since 2020, so about 5 years. We did a pilot project right here in Harrisonburg, Virginia, and that pilot project went well, and then we did some more projects, and then we raised some more money, and that kind of got us to where we are today, where we are planning to raise $40 million to install 10,000 solar systems around the country.
Give Solar brought us a big gift. Jeff High came to Habitat Virginia and said, let's put solar panels on Habitat houses. So it's been an amazing partnership. Most of these installations here in Harrisonburg are 4.8 kilowatts or 5.6 kilowatts. The families are saving $70, $80 a month in their electric bill. I think the part I like the most is the Habitat families love saving money on their electric bills, but they also love helping the earth.
These are the families who are most vulnerable to rising electricity prices, and they will be protected.
Not only does this have local impact with homeowners that are in need, it's really important for us at the American Institute of Architects to promote our sustainability goals. At our work at our national headquarters, we're driving carbon down on every single home that these solar panels are installed on. That's important to us as architects. Give Solar and Habitat exceeded our expectations and did almost 80 homes. Not only does it enable you to achieve your sustainability goals and get to carbon neutral, but it helps the local community. That's what it's all about for us.